guys, so today we are heading out to Rum Point Beach, which is at the end of the Cayman Islands. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. Of course, I'm excited for this adventure because apparently when you get to Rum Point Beach, that's like the end of the island and there's a lot to see. The beach out there should be really good for snorkeling and just activities and stuff. Well, not activities, but like restaurants and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to see what that has to offer. But yeah, I'm just checking in to let you guys know what the day is going to entail. I will be vlogging as much as possible. I am super excited. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now, so we wanted to start off the day early and kind of make pit stop as we go. We're not sure what's going to be on the way there, but we're just gonna, if we see anything interesting, pull over and explore.
So in the Cayman Islands, they drive on the other side of the road, and the steering wheel's on the other side, the signal light's on the other side, the wipers are on the other side,
in 500 meters,
and
at the roundabout, take the
they just use roundabouts, which is always fun to drive around. But
is that sarcasm?
a little bit. Like it makes the flow of traffic better.
Video, and then I'll do pictures while the video is going.
Is this photo?
Yeah, both. Got it.
You're scared? Why are you scared?
Is it going?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
So this is our problem right now. We need to cross here to go over. Oh, Colin found somewhere. Oh. Okay. So we're gonna walk behind here. Hopefully there's no sharp edges. No lizard that jumps out on me, because then I'll freaking scream. Ooh, so cool. It's so cool under here. That breeze was nice.
As you can see behind, there's an awesome sunken ship. There's no treasure left on it, but I'm gonna go snorkel. It's only in like 10, 12 feet of water, so it's pretty easy if anybody's in Cayman.
For you.
Check it out. It's a great little snorkeling spot. So I'm gonna get my GoPro, and we can get some good footage, and you'll see it in the vlog.
Let them keep on talking, girl, we said nobody. They keep on talking, but I want nobody now. Let them keep on talking, girl, you know I want it. Girl, it's a given that I always need you more. I'll put a ring on it cause I don't want you gone. And when they talk, just tell them this your favorite song. Girl, no lies, no lies, I want it all night, yeah. she fine like picture Kodak. I can feel the wave, I can feel the wave. I'ma get right to shoulder. See how she fine like picture shoulder. Why not? Oh.
Don't slip.
It's kind of chilly in here. Okay, let's do it. Wait.
It's not cold. No, it's not. Okay, you stay there. You okay? Are you?
Hey, here. Oh, there he is. I'm good to go. Okay. So your girl can't swim, so hubby is out here trying to check to see how deep it is for me. It's boxed in, so I'm guessing this is like the kids area, which is perfect.
Don't go into that open, because if I'm out there snorkeling, I'm not going to be able to see you.
I won't. I will.
You should not go past your waist.
Okay.
You don't know how to swim. It's not that I'm being overprotective. You're like a child. You don't know how to swim. I can't turn my back on you in water because you do not know how to swim.
Okay, Dad. Bye. Anywho, he's gonna go snorkeling like right there. And yeah, I was gonna go on the other side, but the rocks were so freaking sharp, so I was just like mopping out to see where I could go that was like comfortable. And then this is like paradise. It's like a little pool in the beach basically. So I'm just gonna go in and do my thing and woo. What the fuck is that? That's so scary. Oh my god, what is that? Well, I'm not going back in this water because that's scary. Oh my god. So, you see that stuff I just showed you in that clip? I just saw that and now I'm scared, so I am not going back in that water. I am sorry. Old girl is not trying to die. Let me put my glasses on because it's so sunny. That is very, very scary. So I think I'm just gonna roam a bit. I love water, love being out here, but I love water, love the ocean, but I'm so paranoid when no one is around me because I get so freaked out by the smallest things. So now I'm just walking because I don't want... That thing had like a long mouth. You guys saw it in the clip. It had a long freaking mouth, so I'm not trying to freaking get stabbed or something by something. Those are all fish, guys. Oh my god, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I want to try to get in there. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god.
For the people, we the best. Oh yeah.
Spots. Look at this thing. Hello! At least they have a porta potty.
It might come in handy for me.
Yes, queen.
I can feel the wave. I'ma get right to shoulder. See how she fine like picture shoulder. Why not? Oh, my girl, just wind up, run it, wind up, whoa. My girl, just wind up, alright. My girl, just let your body touch up on my body. Feel the music, let it put you in the zone. Let nobody come and mess up our vibe. I got we were meant to be. You have to stay mine. I can feel the wave, I can feel the wave. I'ma get right your shoulder. See how she fine like picture Kodak. I can feel the wave, I can feel the wave. I'ma get right your shoulder. See how she fine like picture shoulder. Wind up, oh. My girl, just wind up, run it, wind up, whoa. My girl, just wind up, alright.